first candidate in a batch is very challenging. How do you deal with being number one in this batch of candidates?
I feel pressure and honor because I have a high standard. And I feel pressure and honor because I have a high standard. And with my Sangguniang Barangay Bayog and with my family, I think my number shouldn't count. But I think my number shouldn't count because they are my crown. They makes me feel like I'm a winner tonight. Thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 1. Now, let's have candidate number 2, Mr. Paul Dominic Aguilar. My question for you, Paul, is, as a fitness enthusiast, what best fitness advice can you give to a young man insecure about his looks and physique?
Magandang gabi sa ating lahat. Nasabi ko lang po sa mga nag-iisip ng negative sa kanilang pangangatawan dahil iwamat sa nila niya sila healthy. Lahat po tayo nagsisimula sa scratch dahil nanggaling din po ako sa scratch na mas di po ako naging unhealthy and lumabas po ako sa aking comfort zone at pinili ko po maging healthy. And for this time, meron po akong gustong iwanan ako para sa inyo guys. Being fit and being healthy is like aging backwards. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Bacalos Panos, candidate number 2. Now, we move to Mr. Bacalos Panos, candidate number 3, Arcaden Franco Gadon. Arcaden, we were told that you are not in school anymore. And you are working now to support yourself and your family. As the famous adage or saying goes, I'd like to ask you, diploma o diskarte?
Magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. So ano ba pipiliin ko sa dalawa? Diploma ba o diskarte? So parehas talaga para sa akin. Kasi ang diploma, sa ngayon po, binabase lang po sa trabaho natin. So pagka nakagraduate niya sa makakapasok sa mataas na standard na trabaho at makakatanggap na mataas na sahod. Pero para sa akin, mas bibili po ang diskarte. Bakit? Kasi po, once na sa diskarte mo, kahit anong gawin mo dyan sa labas o sa diskarte sa buhay, kung sakali na gusto talaga maging successful, gagawa ka ng paraan para maging successful ka sa buhay. Yun lang po at maraming salamat.
Thank you so much, Mr. Bacalos Panos, candidate number 3.
Now we head to candidate number 4, Francis Andre Polisto. Now, my question for you, Francis, is what excites you most about entering the uniformed service someday? What bureau or department would you like to be in?
Magandang gabi po sa lahat. Para po sa akin, ang bureau ko na ninanais ko is maging fire officer or bureau fire protection. Kasi po yun po ang aming pinaka-napupusukan na trabaho sa inyo. Para po sa akin, ang isang candidate or registered criminologist ay napakahirap po talaga mag-apply ngayon dahil sa sobrang malaki po ng demand ng registered criminologist. At para po sa akin, ang masasabi ko lang po sa pag-apply is lahat po tayo ay may kanya-kanyang libro o pahina na dapat natin gawin gabay para makapunta tayo sa ating mga pangarap. Yun lang po at maraming salamat.
Thank you so much, Mr. Bacalos Panos, number 4. Now let's move to Mr. Bacalos Panos, number 5, Cyrus Sanchez.
So the question is, this is your second time joining the pageant. I'd like to ask you, do you believe in second chances? Why or why not?
I believe this second chances because this time I prepare a lot of time and a lot of pasarela training. Para po sa akin, pinagpupuso ko po ito ng oras at panahon para po makapower. Naliliwanag ko sa mga kabarangay na lagi po sila nakasuporta sa akin. Sila po ang Dami po thank you.
There you have it. Thank you so much, Mr. Michael Los Baños, candidate number 5. Now let's move to Mr. Michael Los Baños, candidate number 6, Frisna Concepcion Fidelion. Frisna, this is your first time joining a pageant. What is the most valuable experience that you have gained from joining Mr. and Miss Bagong Los Baños, and why?
Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Siguro po ang mga pinaka-valuable na natutunan ko dito is magiging delikado ka sa ginagawa mo. Dahil alam naman natin sa buhay natin na kailangan natin maging delikado kung kailangan kung talagang gusto natin makuha yung gusto natin. Kailangan ko po.
Thank you so much, candidate number 6, Mr. Fresna Talion. Now, we move on to candidate number 7, Jason Sartupa. Hi, Jason. The question is, you failed to advance to the top 5 last year. Upon your return this year, what did you have in mind and how did you use it to prepare better?
Honestly, it took me a lot of time and courage to join again Mr. Bagong Los Baños 2024. You know what? Part of my preparation is joining a national pageant. I am a candidate of Mr. International Philippines 2024. And you know what? I learned a lot from it. And that is what I'm bringing tonight. Hoping to be your next Mr. Bagong Los Baños 2024.
Thank you so much, Mr. Bagong Los Baños, candidate number 7. Now let's move to Mr. Bagong Los Baños, candidate number 8, Don Eric Kaligayahan. Don, if you can pioneer a study about human behavior, what study would you like to embark and how do you plan to do it? The question goes, if you can pioneer a study about human behavior, what study would you like to embark on and how do you plan to do it?
I would like to pray about the study of understanding. Because I believe in psychology, we are taught to be understanding people. And I think that is really beautiful. Because in this world full of hate and negativity, we just need to be more understanding, to be more kind, for our future generations to have a better world to live in. And for us people also, to be kind to each other. Because that is one of the most beautiful things that we can give to someone, is to be kind. Thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 8. Now let's have candidate number 9, Carl Simon Tansenko. The question for you is, please tell us about your recent experience at Bench Buddy of Work. How did this stint help you in preparing for Mr. and Miss Bagong Los Baños? To repeat the question, please tell us about your recent experience at Bench Buddy of Work. How did this stint help you in preparing for Mr. and Miss Bagong Los Baños?
So being part of the Bench Body of Work casting and actually being part of the casting at its entirety, it gave me a confidence that the second time around that I joined Mr. Bagong Los Baños, I have the potential to actually win and snatch the crown. And while doing so, leave a positive mark on the youth and be a beacon of hope for the youth, to give them a better path in life, looking at me being a symbol of quality, perseverance, and dedication. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Bagong Los Baños, number 9. Now let's move to Mr. Bagong Los Baños, candidate number 10, John Harvey Madriaga. So John, I see here that you are a member of the LSPU boxing team varsity. The question goes, they say that boxing is a violent sport. How do you encourage someone who has never been into boxing to try it if he or she is saying that boxing is violent?
Maraming salamat po sa pagkakataon. Para po sa akin, ang boxing po ay hindi po
Your question goes, they say that boxing is a violent sport. How do you encourage someone who has never been into boxing to try it, even if he or she is saying that boxing is violent?
Ako po, bilang isang atleta, bilang isang boksingero, masasabi ko lang po, ang boxing po ay hindi violent. Ang boxing po ay disiplina. Dahil po, hindi ka po magiging isang magaling na boksingero kung wala ka po disiplina. Isa po sa mga tinuturo sa boxing ay pagkakaroon po ng disiplina at kung paano mo po may pagtatanggol lang yung sarili. At ang iyong makamahal sa buhay, wala akong magpapasalamat.
Thank you so much, candidate number 10, John Harvey Mandilaga. Now we head on to our last male candidate for tonight. We have candidate number 11, Christian Joel Oli. Now, Christian, in one of your interviews, we were told that you were emotional about the past years of your life, struggling with school, work, and finances. If you can go back in time to talk to your younger self, what would you tell him and why?
Kung babalikan ko sa nakaraan at kakausapin ko sa sarili ko, sasabihin ko sa kanya na magpakatatag dahil mas marami namang problema na harap sa kanya. At dahil doon, mas naging matapang ako, mas naging matatag, at tinuruan din ako ng sarili ko at ng mga kaibigan na naging kasunod ko sa lahat ng harap ko. And that's all.
There you have it. Thank you so much.